Some people who have worked long-term for one organization can feel stale or unmotivated with their work over time, and often desire to develop new skills and enjoy additional opportunities. But what options do people have to expand and job craft, and what benefits and burdens accompany those pursuits? By studying federal workers who participated in a program called Open Opportunities, researchers found that by taking on temporary assignments inside their broader organizations, workers could expand their skills, networks, and identities over time. Open Opportunities enables federal employees to work up to 20% of their time outside their normal positions, often assisting other government departments. As workers have participated in these assignments, they've been able to increase their skills, working in positions they'd normally not have access to. Additionally, as many governmental departments are fairly siloed, participants have seen their networks expand, enabling them to better share information across departments and fields. Participants also found that as they worked with Open Opportunities, they were able to leverage their new skills and networks to craft new identities for themselves within their current departments, allowing them to expand their reach and influence. But as many workers found, participating in a highly visible program was sometimes met with resistance, as supervisors were often less enthusiastic about letting subordinates branch out and parse their time between potentially competing endeavors. Wonder how employees can better participate in job crafting? If so, you may want to read this paper.